How to create eye-catching thumbnails like the #1 YouTuber Mr. Beast using AI tools. With this method, you can get more views on your videos without needing any design experience. So, let's jump right in. First, we all need inspiration for our thumbnails. Whatever type of thumbnail you want to create, just search for it on YouTube. Find your favorite thumbnail, take a screenshot, or copy the link to download it. Once you have your thumbnail, come to ChatGPT and upload it. In ChatGPT, you'll type, "Generate a detailed prompt to create this image." ChatGPT will then read your image and generate an effective prompt. Copy that prompt, and now we're ready for the next step. Next, go to the Ideogram application. You'll see a plus icon. Click on it. In the prompt box, paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Now, you can scroll down and choose the type of design you want, such as auto, general, realistic, 3D, or anime. You can also select the aspect ratio for YouTube. Once you're set, click the Generate button. It will take a few seconds, and then, boom. You'll have a perfect AI-generated thumbnail according to your prompt. You'll also see different variations, and you can download the one you like the most. If you want to create a second thumbnail, you can repeat the same process. Upload your image to ChatGPT, generate the prompt, paste it into Ideogram, and click Generate again. You'll get another amazing thumbnail. Ideogram is an incredible tool where you can generate custom thumbnails by just typing the kind of image you want and clicking Generate. And that's how simple it is. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.